build your done. Take the fight back. Battlefield. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tyler. Today, we're gonna play some Battlefield 3. Now, today, it takes a really long time to do this retort, but still. I thought you set up over there. So, yeah, if you set up and leave some comments below if you want to see my videos. Because I have Nintendo Land, I have hundreds of things. You also can check out my videos that I posted. So I'll see you there. Okay guys, I took out video to set it. Okay, that's ready. Goodbye. Okay, I'm here. Okay, my bird is not up from there. He's hiding with his son. I'm gonna go. He's hiding with his son. I better go out. Okay. Don't worry, that's my mom. Okay. Videos. Oh, that's every. Oh my God. This is adorable.